Hi, just a quick and not so thorough video here. The other day I was replacing the handlebar grips, or trying to, on my son's bike, and realized I had no idea on how to get them off, or the new ones on for that matter. Turns out though that alcohol was the solution to at least this problem. The absolute best type of alcohol here is the one that don't leave any traces behind, like isopropanol or similar. However, here, when the grip got stuck like this, I did not have any of that. Luckily though, I did have some normal disinfectant alcohol lying around, and just putting a little bit of it on the side like this and then twisting the handle grip made it come off like nothing. You can also use some kind of prying tool here if you want to do that, but just be careful then to not damage the actual handlebar. Or if you got a compressor lying around, you can also use air to kind of inflate the handlebar grip a little bit and then make it slip off like that. As for putting the new handlebar grips on, turns out alcohol was the solution here as well. Again, any alcohol that leaves no traces behind when it dries is probably the better option to use, but in this case normal disinfectant alcohol did the trick just as well. Here you don't really need to use that much of it at all, just a small amount, and then twist and push the grip in place. Initially here the grip will feel quite loose like so, but since the alcohol vaporizes on its own a little while later, it is then completely stuck. Neat! Apparently you can also use hairspray for this procedure, since that also dries after a little while and gets even stickier, making the handlebar grip really sit in place. Not that I've got any of that though. Alright, hope the video helped. Thank you for watching. Please leave any thoughts or questions down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye!